What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and in today's action-packed episode, as you already know, of course, we're gonna be watching some of the best drivers this world has to offer. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into this. Whoa, that G-Wagon is running on liquid arrogance. Bro just filled it up. So there's no point in honking really, because have you ever seen a G-Wagon following the traffic rules? And a wild BMW appears and love taps the Mini. And now of course he's gonna pull over and definitely not dangerously overtake anybody or something like that. Or maybe even run away, because that is just ridiculous. Why would he do that?
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, nice.
Bro is just rearranging the drive-thru a little bit to fit his needs. Which is good for him, I guess. Come on now, power!
Obviously, don't go and do that, please.
Hey, you do whatever you like.
We can't condone anything of the sort.
No, we can't. Live! Live!
That was so unacceptable. Do it again. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Looks like SpongeBob decided to upgrade his whip to buy a new boat. And what is this goofy car doing? Power! Oof. Well, at least that guy's good at flipping cars. I'll give him that. Ooh, Volvo, chill out, please. That's not a free candy van. That one was from the post office, so no need to do that. But anyways, let's see here. Oh, that is an unmistakable sound of an angry V8. I don't even care what happened. Those 630 horses sound amazing. And now, behold everyone, because Menace for Society has arrived. He still didn't crash somehow, and...
Nice.
That went pretty well, actually. I didn't expect that. And here you might think this is just an ordinary Prius, but it's not. As you can see, this one is just a little bit upgraded, just a tiny bit. And I never thought I would see this day when Prius and Power come together. That's truly amazing. Quite emotional, actually. But anyways, don't mind if I cut you off real quick and brake check you as well, just for the good measure. It's always amazing to see people get mad after they did something wrong, because that makes perfect sense, right? And here we have one giant hole in the road versus civilians. Who will win, we'll see. That one hurts. Don't do it, little car. Go to the right, go to the right. Ooh. Good thing those bystanders are warning the drivers. That's nice of them. And here are the two rivals settling their thing once and for all. The BMW would be here as well, but he crashed into a tree somewhere. Oh, what is going on there? It looks like someone is converting the speed and power into smoke, and is that a bug catcher? I malfunctioned for a second. I'm lagging. I wanted to say bug catcher, that thing that sticks out from the hood. Dearie me. Choose your lane wisely next time, Toyota. Toyota. Oh, cutting everybody off is okay. Speeding is also okay, but not indicating. That's where we draw the line. That is just too much, you know. It's not okay. And this guy's looking for a gap, and he goes for it. Power! Come on, almost there, and yes! That was a little bit too close, but he did it. And also, you're only allowed to overtake 2 cars in one go. That was close too. And I think now the brand new pair of pants would be in order. Let's see here now. Ooh. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby, right. Bro didn't do a 360, he did 1080. Leroy Jenkins. Ooh. It's always the little car. When it's not a Prius, of course. They see me rolling. Who said you need 4 wheels to drive a car? This guy here believes that 4th wheel is a scam. He ain't falling for it. But anyways, on to the next one. Self-pit maneuver tactics engaged. Or whatever the hell that was. He was way too optimistic about that. He didn't merge in time. And meanwhile, in 2031, let's see how the world will look like. Oh, pretty much the same. So anyways, moving on. Let's see what is going on here. Uh-oh, I already see. No. Oof. Bro, what the hell? Some people really shouldn't be driving. Even his left blinker was on for some reason. And this dude woke up and decided that the double solid line is a myth and it doesn't exist. And I like that little pop-up headlight thing, how he flashed him. Whoa! Bro is not driving a Challenger, but he still turned into a boat. And what is this guy trying to do with a smart car? Probably something smart. Oh yeah, it is very smart.
That's a good one.
Is it? And also those little cars are quite expensive for what they are, if you know what I mean, even the used ones. Oh, would you look at that cute little wing? That guy's a god of downforce. Even the F1 teams are like, don't go anywhere, we're coming to get you. We need that. No, please don't do that. Ba-da-da-da-da. It's the one and only D-O-double-G. That guy's like, yep, everything's perfect. I'm just practicing for my role in Thomas and Friends movie. That's it. Beep, beep. Come on, just a little bit more, a little bit more. That's it, you're good. Bro doesn't need parking sensors. Whoa! What the chair doing? You don't see that every day. Oh, I see my man got a boat license, which is nice. On to the next one. We have a dual setup here, and whack! This is unbelievable. Where were you looking at? You only had one job. This is why you always have to be on the lookout, because crazy. Prius. Naughty. But yeah, this is why you have to always be on the lookout, because people are way too distracted these days. Peekaboo! Ooh, that's not gone well. And I think the bro just discovered that he's not the only one on the road. Hey yo, you can't do that. It's really hard to take them seriously when they do stuff like this. It's ridiculous. He forgot he was the 5-0. No. Friendly fire will not be tolerated. But I guess it's game on anyways. The black Civic versus the white SUV. Who will win, we will see. I'm rooting for the black Civic because he did nothing wrong and the other guy is just a dingleberry. And I think we have a winner, and that was the end of... or maybe not. So now, in the heat of the battle, the guy from the black Civic mistakes this guy with the guy who started all of this. And in all of this confusion, the guy decided to teach him a lesson regardless. He just wanted to be sure. But in any case, moving on, let's see here. Oh, hello there. Oh, just take your time. We definitely have all night to wait while you figure out what's left and what's right, and what is the steering wheel and what is the brake pedal. Look at this dude. And most importantly, what is the one-way street? Because this guy seems to be a little bit confused about that. Power! See ya, losers! Oh no. Right, that didn't go as planned. Bro got a bush position. You leave your car unattended for 2 minutes and it goes nuts. Let's see here. Here we have some British footage. Around and around, and a wild Civic appears to do his daily roundabout activity. Roundabouts are so simple, and yet some people still don't understand how it works. This guy doesn't understand how the U-turn works, and now he's probably gonna need some new suspension parts. Oh, hello. What the hell was that? I guess braking a little bit and then turning left was way too easy for this guy. Too easy solution. Whoa! Was that a tire? Did the tire pop? Or his engine exploded? Ooh, luckily he did manage to keep it under control somehow, as much as he could. Oh, hello there, Passat. 1.9 TDI, crveno DI. That car here in Balkan countries is like, it's like the best car ever, you know? Everybody loves it. But anyways, we are moving on. Oh, come on, man. That's gotta be on purpose. She was looking at the dashcam car. She was looking at it, like, directly. I don't know how... Oh, you wanna play that game with a semi-truck? Just help yourself. Go ahead. You will win, I'm sure. What is going on here? Oh! Bro doesn't know how to use the petrol pump. And here in Serbia, there's usually a guy who works at the pump and he will pump your petrol. But you can do it yourself if you want, of course. They don't have a problem with it. And I think that's a good thing, because it's always good to have two options. Why not? And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the overwhelming support. It really means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe and a comment if you haven't already, of course, and if you want to see more of this. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great week, guys. Take care. Ciao, ciao.